I'm Jonathan Ayers with Network for Success, and today we're going to talk about what is a dual processor. A dual processor refers to the processor that is inside of a computer. The processor is the main central computing unit that allows the processor to perform the actions that you ask it to do. Now, why would we want to have dual processors inside of our computer? And this is the fun part, because everybody likes to talk in this day and age about multitasking. And multitasking means to a lot of people doing two things at the same time. And the perfect example that makes us laugh is chewing gum and walking. Well, it's not really true, folks. There is no such thing as multitasking. There is task switching. And the reason for that is that physics has given us the law that only one object can exist in space at one time in one location. So this goes for whether it's a command across a piece of wire or you standing on a piece of ground. Only one thing can be done at one time in one point in one location. So in order for us to do multiple tasks on a computer quickly, we have to have multiple processing units doing those tasks. And that's why we now have dual core processors or dual processors. Now, a dual processor would mean two separate processors, but each one of those processors could have more than one core inside of it, and the core would be the central processing unit. So you might have two processors and each one had two cores in it, which would be about the same as having four single processors. And the more processors you have, the more processes that you can do at the same time. So your computer will run faster and more efficient when you have more processors or more cores inside of your processors.